A Data Science Bootcamp is a very great way of... No, wait, can I start over?
Yeah.
So it's 11 weeks, 4 hours per week, homework in between, great way of learning at your own pace.
The Data Science Bootcamp covers data exploration, visualization and storytelling and machine learning.
The bootcamp is a very good learning opportunity for somebody that doesn't know anything about data science or Python.
As a trainer, I most like about the Data Science Bootcamp that we spend more time with the participants.
Hands-on mix of theoretical and practical teaching.
I have a lot of fun doing it. I really achieved my goal of getting the foundations of Python and machine learning through Python that I was searching for. So yeah, I would recommend it to others.
Yeah!